Yo, what's here for? Medin and Reverend Stephen Smith Boakye, the Bible tie from the rabbi. And then some such a watch need you my dear so and I may know me no as I share you. Sanya, de bia ya no. Ya bomma dia de asam ne beto ho na abusia ne namfofo obi biara ne no adwuma mu nyina amadwendwene ho na mode mo nso madwene kire ade aba na ye gina so ade atutu ye hofo. Last week near the video wa kon ebaye Obia actually na dwene bebre kire amadwene fra social media network platforms ni nyina WhatsApp ni Instagrams nyina obia de na dwene kire ade baye ya bekenkan wadwene kire na afi ye ha ya pie afutuo kakra enso ade afri de wode baye nim na last week asama ya de beto dwa ene se oba bia okọ aware no ware wie ya ne maame di na chi ekọ ni kunu fie emra na omokọ ho ni mu ni nyina no maame ne ka ho mo ho ekọ ho ni mu no ho na obema no ye o madwene se o monko nsuo so nko nante kakra o de kodo se boat nso a na fofie antwata boat no edaneye boat ne daneye bema ye o ye nimonyamfo o ye sofo a onim Kristo na ne nyuma nyina are o ye bia na eso awrade ani na oban so maame so nso ahwe na nasem kaire pa ese obi antimi nka asem papa bia amfasa maame we ho na ono nso da nsuo nim na oban wo kwanya se oyi enipa ba kope se woni oba na ebusa asenka hwan na ka obesi afa ayi no na nkrofo bebre di o madwene kire baaye mesra wase antimi ankan o message amane haw fisaya na messages ne ne o mane dawson voice note ne dawson but ye bomoden se obi a ode ne de ba alibia na ye peke wona yakan but koswa na wadwene kire ebra na watwe nso adwumadie no na ebetimi aye wo se ye bekan won de na yetie mu na ye hwehwe mu na no yehwe oba bi ono de na dwene kire baaye wase ye friend no Vonnie B Massey our your Facebook page, a friend of Bonnie B Massey wase my mom who has not seen Christ yet, my husband will die a happy man cause he knows Christ and will definitely make heaven when he dies. My mom deserves a second chance. Sa ana yenyua Yoni B Mazi Eka. Ya braba konson your friend Kofi Apia. Our your Facebook page, and also say I will save my mom because she is not born again Christian. If I let her die according to the story, she will go to hell. So I have to save my mom instead of my husband. My husband is saved already according to the story. Thanks. Ya hwehwe mu anso behunu nipa ba konso a na ono so no your friend Ralph Wings. Ralph Wings say I'll call for help and save both. Ralph dear no but I see papa go pena na betimi asie wo no help na be friend dear na mo obaba konso so de na dear by a friend gifty amoa ono so say I will save my mom because she don't know Christ yet. Because of what happened to her, I will lead her to Christ. My husband does. Gifting so na dear de by no Obastelina abna Anchua down kwa and also the nedia by was I will save my mom la no I am Crawford I can and then mama am shadan tesala na say a fiakim was say I will save my mom. Okay enti na se kakra ya free Facebook for no contributions na kakra bae ya kwa WhatsApp page no so a Crawford so the contribution na bae a lady from Accra was your friend Ra say the lady husband already knows Christ a bit. Her mom doesn't, so it will be a good opportunity for her to save her mom, so she will also come to know Christ. Her husband is already a candidate of heaven. Obera da wase ono so dia no mo baba konson so ekasa e friend catchy oba say wa say me there I will save my husband in a sense that my mom might have heard about the word of God but still live in her sins. And my husband still needs to win more souls for God. So if my mom perish, my husband will still continue preaching God's work because it is not only about him being righteous, it is about him helping others to inherit the kingdom of God. Oba sewa ononso dia odeba afia sewa ononso dia odeba no Oba Faustina Ajima ononso say I will save my mom. Yeah, yentimi ankanin na. Yeah, kenkan ye comment ni wie ye no. Mommy ahwe na yentie voice note nso e ba ye ba ko mienu bi. That's it.
Yo, Midin de Francisca Chimesi. Meso make sure my drink a cry, Reverend Steve Boakye Asemo of the Ati. First, the kind, you make us say, my quiet wedding for my worry. Say, I think I say that the only moon pony echo, na me man, wedding as in a wood. Come to say, me bamu comra. I make no case and qua no get a good HD. Who's ruin your only papa or be anymore? Usuben and ya upe dimage. Maybe I be ban ever kusiama. Nin say up about what about to a group, they send me at the end and young upon a man could want to go to here. Until if I have the chance to say, may save you back one, let's save him. Let's save him because, oh, a grandpa, yes, and papa be not image. But he said, will be anymore. Uncle Pon Arman a good to it, they make me, you know, I am. And it is no one on yes. Make no, and me, you know, that must be.
Say we party, me no ban a party. But can be you, mammy. A job, Bemano. Because mammy did the mammy, and we your mood. Beman no bit me a jow, I was off no bit me a jow banaco, cough about floor. Bow mammy, dear, when you cry, and your mammy, ten a dear. Mention that.
But tear me when you are off with me. Masasi sway away, no, Obio nim Christo, no, I know you can't say, well. I will name Christian, you can't say what you say. Say Nipan who crana, Nipan, a who say what you say. But Obio any Christian, no, no, dear, what you say, crana or ye, a woofo. When you get yourself into such situation, I will encourage you, say, Nipa unim Christian, but modern save no. If so, no new moment, Anna, who here. Now, Bible, no, you know, I'm yet, yes, I was say, or no, rather than one who say, Ube, our bonnier for a womb. And when you know, Yanko point out. My actually, why do you do my DNA? That's what's on. And now, so this episode, ever now, if I watch it, if I WhatsApp, no so, and now I say, but I say, oh, back comment it our social media.